If you're like me, who cannot simply complete a fit farm program just because I love swallow, just come. There's good news for you. Okay. You can now eat as much as swallow you want at any time with no fear of adding more weight. Rather, you will keep losing the one that you have. And this is poundo potato, okay? So I'm teaching you how to make this poundo potato to come out the best for you. This method is not the best method. In fact, there are different methods to doing this, and the easiest method is making it like you make gari. But this is the best method because remember, this is flaked Irish potato. So it has almost zero carbohydrates, right? So you have to be sure that the water is well, boiling before you can start. And then measure the quantity that you know can be okay for you. You could see I measured 1.5 cup, but when I was doing this, it wasn't really enough. It was really small because this doesn't rise, okay? So I had to add a little more. Let's just say 2 cups here, okay? And in fact, when you finish eating it, you still feel very light. So it's not like 2 cup is, like Gary now or something. No, right? So you heat up your water, pour the Irish, the pounded potato, and begin to give it a good stir. You would want to start with very little amount of water, and then add along if need be, just as I'm doing here. Then when you have stirred it homogeneously, you know for some minutes. Then you can add a little water and then cover the pot so that it can heat up and be done evenly. At this point, it is done. You give it the final stir, and you swallow with no cap would be ready. Okay. If you're still watching to this point, please kindly give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment in the comment section for me, and do well to share this video with your family and friends. Thank you and God bless you. Now I had to wrap it in the nylon to get it more, tantalizing to my eyes, okay? Because the eyes need the chop first. All right, so we are ready to devour this. Can you see how golden this looks and very, very appetizing? I mean, and I had to enjoy it with this water leaf vegetable soup, guys. Tell me if you're going to be trying this out. Meanwhile, come and join me. This is where I draw the curtain, and I'll see you in my next one. Stay safe and bye bye.